Hey everyone, welcome back. I have the new kit. This is the January 2022 card kit from Simon Says Stamp, obviously. So I am going to try and get some videos up as quick as possible for you with this kit, as well as going into some sort of Valentine's-y love themed things and a couple of spring ones. But for us here, it's going into super cold, icy, wintry time, so maybe not like Canada, but you know, still. So I haven't opened this. I mean, I've untaped it and everything, but we're going to open it together. Ta-da! So this is how it comes, and it's going to be a bit noisy, but I'm just going to get everything out. Right, so as always, you always get a little candy. This is so cool for me because I don't live in America, so this is kind of fun. And then I'm just going to grab this so I can see what's in here. And let's see what we have. So we have a couple of envelopes. In dull pink and white, and this has got like a shimmer. It's like a shimmery metallic-y envelope. So cool. And then the white one's just a plain one, which is always handy anyway. So there's a couple of those, handy dandy. Then there are, oh, let's do these, some self-adhesive gems. These are very pretty. This pink is very cool, and this pink kind of matches the, oh, if I can get it, the dull pink matches really nicely with that, coordinates really nicely with that. And let's see, so that's them. I'm trying to do this in some sort of order. Then we have, let's see, we have soft navy, dull pink, lavender, and one sheet of Neenah solar white cardstock. These I believe are £100. Yeah, these are Simon's cards, and this is £100 cardstock, and so is the Neenah, so that's really nice as well. Neenah's really nice for Copic colouring and stuff like that, but I love the colours. Love it. Great combo. So that's the boring, that's not boring at all, but you know what I mean, like that's the cardstock and envelopes. Oh, we did the bling, so. Anyway, then we have some pattern papers. And these are from La La Land Crafts Starry Night 6x6 double-sided papers. Ooh, that's a big mouthful. Right, so you have all these beautiful, these have got like a lovely sheen on them actually, like really nice smooth paper. And so you've got some stars, and this, oh, I like that. That's beautiful for a even like a baby boy card or something. Oh, I do like a gingham. Then you've got like a pink version and the pink on their back. But that's really pretty. I love that. I love that for Christmas or like wintry times, and also like I say for like baby cards, stuff like that. Not that I make a lot of those, but still. Then you've got one that's got, it looks like there's real sparkly things on here, but they're not. They're just the paper. That's very clever. And then some nice snowflakes on the back, which I really like this. And then oh, I like this. like a grey sort of, almost like clouds. In fact, I think it is like a cloudy background. That's very cool. And then those snowflakes. Very nice. Very nice. And then some stripes with the moons and the stars, which I love. Oh, I like that. It's so weird. I don't think the camera's going to pick this up, but it looks like it's almost like, I almost want to say like diamonds or like tinsel kind of thing, but it's not. Like it's almost like a realistic colour, if not colour but picture. I know what I'm trying to say. And then this sort of navy and gold stars. These are really pretty. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Nice. And then a paler blue cloudy one. I think I'm holding these sideways, but they kind of look like starry nights with clouds. And then, oh, some trees. That's cute. And then like a whole page of this glitter. You can't see this on the camera, but it's very, like I say, it looks like it's shimmering, but it's not. It's very, very, very cool. And then a blue one. And then some more stars. And this cool snowflakey background. I am holding it the wrong way. Look, these are trees, or like branches, not branches, but like tree things. I'm holding it sideways or something. Oh, I do love ombre and this sort of like, I don't know why, I'm not a pastel person, but I am really loving this sort of look at the moment. And then more snowflakes. Another starry one. Some poinsettias. I love. Oops. And that one too, that's lovely, black and white. And poinsettias again. So that's the papers. The papers. Yum. And there are 12 sheets of double-sided. So I always find that hard because it's like, which side do you pick? These, by the way, are Hampton Art Studio G Pink self-adhesive gems. Just so you know, because I don't think I said that. Although it says on the back, but. And then we have, dun dun dun, you get a whole tub. Like, I believe this is the like regular size of this stuff. This is Seafoam. Oh, can you see that? Oh, look at it. It's weird. It's like, I don't know. It's weird. We're gonna have to play with this. Looks kind of spongy. I think it dries slightly different to what it looks like here, but it's so cool. And that colour. This literally is the colour of my walls. So maybe a little bit. This is maybe a little bit darker than my walls, but it's same colour. Yum. So that, oh sorry, that was a glitter gel. Hello. Seafoam tub. Then we have the, let's just read it. It's the faceted Snowflakes embossing folder from Simon. Oh, this is easier to see, and that's what it will look like. This with a metallic paper or card. The Simon, what's it called? Or even if you have other brands, but I have some Simon like holographic. That would be so awesome in that, I think. That's very cute. I do love a good snowflake. And then we have the snowflake. What is this one? Scattered Snowflakes stencil. Let's see if I can do this. No, you can't see it there. Oh, there. Isn't that pretty? Let me bring it closer. I'll just put it on here, just so you can sort of see it a bit better. That's pretty. I like it. It's a very delicate sort of stencil. Like there's lots of open space, which is nice for inking or for your gel. Very cool, very cool. And then of course, in true Simon style, we have the 6x8 stamp set, and this is Warmest Wishes stamp set. It is so cute. It's not just specific to Christmas, but it's more wintry. So for me, this is a lovely stamp set to have for this time of year. Like I say, January, February, for where I am, gets much icier and much more cold. So to sending warming hugs and, you know, all love and thanks for all the Christmas presents you got. Just saying. Thinking of you, if you know someone's, you know, this time of year can be quite upsetting for a lot of people. So, you know, sending them a thinking of you card. But look at them, aren't they cute? And the presents you can use all year. You can use those for any occasion, any celebration. But I think that's so sweet. And these trees as well, I don't think are very Christmas specific, which is what I love. So you could make a beautiful like scenery with these, or die cut them out. I think there are coordinating dies for these. I don't have the dies, but I think you could easily either use your scan and cut or cut them out by hand and make this cool scene, or just stamp them, make this cool scene with all these trees and make like a winter scene. Or you could just make a cool, doesn't have to be winter scene, if that makes sense. But isn't that so sweet? I love it. Oh, I love that. Mum, this is for you. She'll know what we're talking about. Ready for a hug? So yeah. So that's it. It's a big set, as always. Let's put this here. Just try and get this into some sort of order for you guys so you can see it a little bit better. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Like I say, I will try and get as many of these reviews up, not reviews, as many cards up as I can with this kit, so you can see it, as well as some Valentine's love themed things. Those are coming up or have already started coming out. And yeah, I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye. I don't know what this was. What is this? Yo. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.